Hello, my friends. This is Daryl Merle back at you again with Smooth Jazz Saxophone Lessons. Today I thought I would give you a tutorial on not only how to play the national anthem, which is also called the Star Spangled Banner, but I figured I would also try to show you how to smooth jazz it up a little bit, add a little gospel flavor to it, maybe add a little bit of soulfulness to it. That's my goal for today. First thing I want to do is kind of give you the melody. So it starts off like this. Those notes are D, B, G, B, D, G. The second line is so you got your high B, B, A, G. Then we go to our low B up to C sharp to D. High B, A, G, low B, C sharp, D, or should I say mid? So you put that together, you have the next part. So we got middle D, and then we go up to high B. And from high B, we walk the scale down from B, A, G to F sharp. Now the next part is going to be, so we got E, F sharp, G. Next part, D, B, G. Oh, say can you see? D, B, G. Get you back on my fingers a little more. Here we go. So it's D, B, G, B, D, G, B, A, G, B, C sharp, D. So and the Rockets' red glare. B, 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 C, D, D. Now I'm using that you may not can see it as well, but I'm using that D right there with the palm. You know, you got the octave key and this little thing right here. That makes that D. So we got C, B, A, B, C, C. Okay, here we go. Gauge proof. That's C, B. Okay. Through the night, A, G, F sharp. Now the last part of that phrase that I flag, E, F sharp, G. And then we have mid B, C sharp, D. So I'm going to let you work on that for now. Part 2, we will go over the climax. Oh, say does that star spangled. We'll take it from there. But in the meantime, if you're on Facebook and you're not a part of my Facebook group, please check out Smooth Jazz Saxophone Lessons. If you like this video and the content I'm providing, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for any new lessons that are coming on. I really appreciate you guys, and we're going to help you to soulify, if that's a word, smooth jazz, gospel up your saxophone playing. See you later for part 2.